Hi everyone, it's Marianne from MAE New Age Shop and Boutique. Merry Christmas. Sorry, I'm trying to get you out of the light. Um, I decided to do this quick little video. I'm not going to be on for very long because it is Christmas and I know that you are enjoying your day with your families. Um, but the last minute last night, I decided to try to make a um, all-natural deodorant. And I made one. I used lavender and peppermint and tea tree. Smells really good. Um, but I made this last night. And as you can see, it's very solid. It came out really great. I didn't add any color to it because I just wanted to try it. I wanted to try it and see if it even got solid. So I wasn't sure how it was going to work. But once I poured it and I let it sit all night, it hardened really good. And I used an old deodorant container that I had. I cleaned it out and just poured it in there to try it. This is just for me to try. I'm probably going to do these. I'm probably going to sell these in my shop, or I'm sorry, in my boutique. But I really, really like the way they came out. It's all natural. It's made with coconut oil. There's beeswax in there to keep it solid, vitamin E, baking soda, and cornstarch. And then I put in the lavender, peppermint, and tea tree essential oils. And it smells so good. I love it. I've already started using it. So good so far. Haven't had any issues. I can still smell the lavender and the tea tree. Well, you don't really smell the tea tree. The tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal. So it's mostly there to help with that, so that you don't get like the rashes and the bumps and the things that you get from shaving your underarms a lot. Which is why tea tree is also good in fingernail and toenail soaks. It helps get rid of the or to stop the toenail fungus that happens in your nails. So tea tree oil is really good on everything. It doesn't really smell that a lot. But it's used mainly as a antifungal, antibacterial type of a thing. Sorry. But the lavender and the peppermint, I love the way lavender and peppermint smell. So when I make stuff, that's what I usually put in there. Lavender and peppermint are good for practically everything that has to do with your body, your hair, your skin, your underarms. I mean, it's just they're good essential oils. But this is all natural, no chemicals. So I'm going to try it for the next couple of weeks or however long the bar lasts, see how it stands up. I may tweak the recipe a little bit. I feel like I want it to be a little bit more solid. So maybe adding a little bit more beeswax than what it's called for. But I just want it to be able to stand up, especially in the Arizona hot weather. So I want to make sure that it stands up in the weather. So I may make it a little bit more solid than what the recipe called for. But I really love it. I really love the way it came out. I poured this last night, stuck it in the in the freezer for about 15 minutes to make sure it would start to get solid, and then took it out, put it on my counter, and I let it sit all night long. And when I woke up this morning, it was solid. And it rolls up and down with no problems, especially considering that this is a used container that I had, that I just pulled the labels off. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. And I will probably see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.